Now that we have defined what a relational database is, let's explore how we can interact with it. One of the best ways to interact with the relational databases is through SQL, Structured Query Language, which is basically a standardized language used for communicating with this type of databases. This language includes various commands grouped into four modules based on their functionality. We have indeed the DML, Data Manipulation Language, DDL, Data Definition Language, DCL, Data Control Language, and then we have the TCL, Transaction Control Language. The commands under these four modules are used for managing and manipulating the database structure as well as the data contained on it. Let's say, for instance, that we are the owners of a library, which represents our relational database. Using specific commands, we can browse through the library searching for books of interest. The command that enables us to do so is called select. Similarly, we can add or remove books from the library respectively using the insert and delete commands. And finally, with the update command, we can modify books information, like when we want to move books from one section to another. All these commands belong to the DML module, Data Manipulation Language. On the other hand, the DDL module, Data Definition Language, focuses more on the library structure rather than its content. For example, commands like create and drop allow us to create new library sections or shelves or remove them. The alter command lets us modify existing section by adding, for example, more shelves to accommodate more books or reorganizing a section to make it more user-friendly, while the truncate command enables us to remove all books from a specific shelf or section in one go without removing the shelf itself, giving us a blank slate to work with again. Let's now focusing on the last two modules, DCL and TCL. While the commands under the DCL module, Data Control Language, allow us to grant or revoke access to our library or part of it, like a rare book section, for example, to specific individuals or users, TCL's ones, such as commit, rollback, and save point, enable us to manage backups and revert to any previously saved points whenever we realize a mistake has been made. Even though all modules are very important, for the purpose of this course, we will focus mainly on the first two modules, data manipulation language and data definition language, as we will need them to create analysis and dashboard throughout the course. Now that we know where we stand, let's dive in.